Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Giska Agusti and I will presenting about Jakarta City. Previously, you all already know the city of Jakarta, right? Jakarta is capital of Indonesia. And here I will tell you about the city of Jakarta and how to maximize the city of Jakarta, which has a variety culture. Okay, next. This is explanation about Jakarta, the dynamic of capital Indonesia. Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia, is a dynamic metropolitan city. In this city, rich history and cultural diversity combined with the rapid modern development. Jakarta is the political, economic, and cultural center of the Indonesian nation. Before we getting into the topic, I will tell you the history of development city Jakarta. Number one, in the 4th century, when the city was known as a Sunda Kelapa, it was thriving maritime port and trading center. And number two, during the Dutch colonial era, Jakarta, then known as Batavia, grew into bustling commercial and administrative center. Today, Jakarta has evolved into dynamic modern city with a rapidly growing population and a diverse economy that drive Indonesian development. And next, Jakarta has a rich history with interesting cultural diversity, and Jakarta is home to a thriving cultural landscape with an array of world-class museum, galleries, and performing art venue, from the iconic National Museum showcasing Indonesian diverse heritage to vibrant art scenes in Kota Tua. The city offers a rich tapestry cultural experience for visitors to explore. And cultural and historical richness from Jakarta City. Number one, diverse heritage. Jakarta culture reflect influence from Javanese, Chinese, Dutch, and Arabic culture. Number two, iconic landmark. There are many famous places such as the National Monument, Istiqlal Mosque, and Ancol Dreamland. And number three, museum and galleries. Explore Jakarta rich history and art by visiting outstanding museum and galleries such as National Museum, Bank Indonesian Museum, and various other museums. So, in Indonesia, then there are various cultures that unite in the city of Jakarta. This diversity is clearly visible through the traditional music, traditional dance, and traditional craft that exist there. Traditional music. Enjoy the performance of traditional music, Indonesian music, from gamelan to angklung, that mesmerize with combination of rhythm and melodies. And traditional dance, what's traditional Indonesian dance, that are full of style and expression, reflecting the elegance and rich culture of archipelago. And traditional craft explored a range traditional Indonesian handicraft from a wood carving to ikat weaving that showcase exceptional craftsmanship and skill. It's tradition has its own uniqueness. How to optimize knowledge about the unique tradition of the city Jakarta? Number 1, cultural festival. Number 2, culinary tradition. And number 3, architecture and design. Number 1, attend vibrant cultural festival such as Betawi Cultural Festival and Pekan Raya Jakarta to witness the city diverse tradition and custom. And culinary tradition, indulge in the city-rich culinary heritage, exploring the diverse range of local dishes and traditional cooking method. And last, architecture and design, admire the intricate architecture and design element found in the city historic building and monument reflecting the region called cultural heritage. And how to optimize the experience? Yes, number 1, embrace the city diversity. Engage with Jakarta multicultural population and explore diverse neighborhood each with its own unique culture and charm. Because of the culture brought from ancient time, each region in Jakarta will have difference from lifestyle to clothing style. Okay. Number 2, exploration. Venture beyond the typical tourist attraction and discover city authentic experience such as a local market, community event, and traditional workshop. By visiting the original traditional places of the city, we will feel the experience of being a local person who was compassion and kindness toward everyone. Yes, because people of Indonesian, of course, Jakarta City is very kindness and compassion toward everyone. And number 3, authentication connection. Attending art and cultural event allow traveler can connect with the local community, fostering a meaningful interaction and a more genuine Jakarta experience. Attending an event that specifically discuss culture in Jakarta is very different from exploring because there is information that is not found and can only be found from art performance. Okay, so art performance is another way from how to optimize experience in Jakarta City. Okay, next. And conclusion, Jakarta is not only center of government and economy, but also has an old city that has witnessed the history of Indonesia. With diverse culture, races, and religion, make it an interesting place to visit. So, tourists and people will come to Jakarta is very recommended by culture and very interesting for knowledge because people and government is very support to people what they have for knowledge. So come to Jakarta and explore this city. Okay, Thank you for attention. This is me from Gaiskatu. Thank you for attention and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.